Now let us begin with the series combination of resistances. Here in this diagram, two resistances R1 and R2 and so on are combined in series with a battery and a key. So in series there is a single wire connecting all these resistances. So the current through all the resistances is same. Through R1, R2 and so on. And the potential difference V, total potential difference across all these resistances, V is equal to sum of the potentials, potential difference across these resistances, V1 across R1, V2 across R2 and so on. So what will be the resultant resistance of all these resistances connected in series? So let me want a single resistance R equivalent, and instead of all these resistances, let R equivalent is the net resistance of these resistances R1, R2, R3 in series. So we have to find out the relationship between R1, R2 and R equivalent. For that, we will use this equation. V is equal to V1 plus V2 plus so on. The potential difference across these resistances will be directly proportional to the resistance. Greater is the resistance, more will be the potential difference across it. So now let us apply Ohm's law. For V1, the current flowing through it is I and resistance of it is R. So V1 is equal to I into R1. Similarly, for the second resistance, voltage across it is V2 and current flowing through it is I again. So V2 is I into R2 and so on. And for equivalent resistance, the current is I again and voltage is V. Therefore, V is equal to I into R equivalent. So let us put all these values in this equation 1. So we have I into R equivalent is equal to I into R1 plus I into R2 and so on. And let us divide this equation by I. Therefore, we get R equivalent is equal to R1 plus R2 and so on. Means the equivalent resistance is resultant resistance in series is sum of all resistances. So now naturally R equivalent will be greater than R1 or R2 or R3. Means of the greatest value. All these values, it will be greater than R1, it will be greater than R2 and so on, all. So in series, the equivalent resistance will be greater than the highest value of the resistance.